The Philippines is primarily an agricultural country. Large number of Filipino families live in rural areas. They support themselves through agricultural activities. But sad to say, Filipino farmer is a dying breed. The average Filipino farmers in the Philippines is 57 to 59 years old. This only means that in the next 10 years, we might be facing lots of challenges in agriculture. After 10 years, itong mga average farmers natin sa Pilipinas ay magre-retire na. Kung walang younger generation ang papasok, then what would be the future of our agriculture? Kung tatanungin natin ang karamihan sa mga kabataan ngayon kung ano ang kanilang pangarap sa hinaharap, ito ang madalas nilang sinasabi.
Pinapangarap ko na maging isang engineer. Gusto ko sana maging doktor.
I've always wanted to become a medtech.
Gusto ko maging sundalo.
Hindi ko din sinasabi na ang mga pangarap nila ay mali. But if we have to ask this question, posible kaya that in the next 10 years or 15 years, we might be having a food shortage because we fail to encourage young generation to embrace agriculture? If there is no organization like 4H, then who else will pioneer our agriculture? Pag sinasabi nating 4H Club, it is actually an organization for the sons and daughters of the farmers. It stands for head for clearer thinking, heart for greater loyalty, hands for larger service, and lastly, health for better living. One of the greatest innovation of Vitali 4H Club and was recognized nationally and locally, and first time ever in the 4H Club in the history of the Philippines was by involving special learners in agriculture. Etong mga special learners were taught to do simple gardening. Engaging them sa ganitong activity is napaka-beneficial sa kanilang well-being because gardening with special needs children is a very rewarding experience. Etong pag-maintain at pag-create ng vegetable gardens, sinasabi na ito ay may therapeutic effect para sa ating mga special learners. Isa din sa mga magandang innovations na ginagawa ng Vitali 4H Club ay yung tinatawag nating value-adding technology. So yung mga harvested na gulay, process it, turning it into mixed pickled veggies. At ang mushroom jam na naging winning recipe sa Region 9. Because of its innovations, out of the 72 organizations competed nationwide, the Vitali 4H Club receives the most outstanding youth social enterprise from Villar-Sipag. Kung sa tingin mo you carry a heart for agriculture and you wanted to develop life skills that would make you effective and productive Filipino citizen, then be a 4H member today.